Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create clickable buttons in Lucidchart. Navigate to the Lucidchart document where you want to add your clickable buttons. You can open an existing document from your dashboard or create a new one. The linking feature works the same way in both. Click the Open button or your document thumbnail. Now, click on the shape or text element you want to turn into a clickable button. This could be any shape, text box, or object on your canvas. When you select it, you'll see selection handles appear around the element, those small squares or circles at the corners and edges. The Properties panel will also update to show options for that selected element. Next, look for the link icon in your toolbar. It looks like two interlocking chain links. You'll find it either in the Properties bar at the top of the page or in the right side Properties panel. Click that link icon. A dialog box will pop up titled either Link or Add Link. If you don't see the link icon, make sure your shape is still selected. In the link dialog, you'll see a URL input field. Paste or type your destination URL into that field. You can link to external websites, other Lucidchart pages within the same document, or other Lucidchart documents. Double-check your URL for any typos before you move on. Once your URL is in there, click the Apply button at the bottom of the dialog box. The dialog will close, and your shape will now have a small link icon overlay, usually in one of the corners. That icon shows the shape is now clickable. The link is active in View mode or Presentation mode. If you want to test it while editing, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac and click the shape. It'll open the linked URL in a new browser tab. To properly test it, switch into Presentation or View mode and click your button. Here are a few things to keep in mind. You can add links to multiple shapes in the same document to build an interactive flowchart or navigation system. If you need to edit or remove a link later, select the shape, click the link icon again, and modify or delete the URL from there. The link won't work in edit mode unless you use the modifier key, so always test in view mode to confirm it's working. Thanks for watching.